'cause I ain't made in China. I'm American as it gets. And I ain't made by a Uyghur kid for pennies on the dollar. I'm made in the USA, it says so on my collar. I'm tried and true, red, white, and blue. My roots run way too thick. 'Cause I ain't made in China, 'cause I'm American as it gets. And I'm head